Are you a go-kart enthusiast looking for your ultimate companion for your next go-kart trip? Hi, I'm Jonathan from AB Race Cruisers. We're here at Silverstone for Kart Mania, the #1 karting show in the UK. We feel at AB Race Cruisers we really have the ultimate vehicle for go-karting. You've got a 2.5 or 2.3 metre garage depending on the vehicle. You've got twin storage, both top and bottom for go-karts. You've got helmet storage, suit storage, heated garage as well. So if you have a wet race day, you can warm your kit up after you finish your event. But it's not just about the go-karts. It's about being functional and practical. Our vans take style and comfort to the next level. With hand-stitched seats, a smart TV, sink hob, fridge, microwave, diesel night heater, roof-mounted air conditioning, you really have it all compact into a small space. So whether you're a go-kart enthusiast or a professional racer, or even a professional team, we feel at AB Race Cruisers we really have it all for you.